Affiliate marketing is a powerful and accessible way to earn passive income online. If you're new to the world of affiliate marketing or looking to enhance your current strategy, Pinterest can be a game changer. Combined with the assistance of AI-powered tools like ChatGPT, you can create a profitable affiliate marketing campaign that generates a substantial monthly income, even as a beginner. The power of Pinterest in affiliate marketing. Pinterest is a visual discovery and bookmarking platform that boasts millions of users. Its unique format of pins and boards makes it an ideal platform for affiliate marketing. Here's why Pinterest is a goldmine for affiliate marketers. 1. Visual appeal. Pinterest is all about stunning visuals. Users come to Pinterest for inspiration, ideas, and to discover new products. This makes it an excellent platform for promoting affiliate products that are visually appealing. Whether you're promoting fashion, home decor, or any other niche, Pinterest's visual format can capture the attention of potential buyers. 2. Search engine capabilities. Pinterest is essentially a visual search engine. Users search for ideas and products using keywords, and Pinterest's algorithm matches them with relevant pins. By optimizing your pins with the right keywords and descriptions, you can increase your visibility and attract more potential customers to your affiliate products. 3. Evergreen content. Unlike other social media platforms where posts quickly disappear from users' feeds, Pinterest pins have a much longer lifespan. A well-optimized pin can continue to generate traffic and affiliate sales for months or even years after it's initially posted. 4. Affiliate-friendly policies. Pinterest has clear guidelines for affiliate marketers, which make it a more transparent and affiliate-friendly platform compared to others. As long as you disclose your affiliate relationships and avoid spammy tactics, you can use Pinterest to promote affiliate products effectively. Leveraging ChatGPT in your affiliate marketing strategy. Now, let's talk about how ChatGPT can take your Pinterest affiliate marketing game to the next level. 1. Content generation. One of the most time-consuming aspects of affiliate marketing is creating high-quality content. ChatGPT can help you generate engaging pin descriptions, blog posts, and product reviews quickly. With ChatGPT's assistance, you can consistently produce valuable content that drives traffic to your affiliate links. 2. Keyword research. Effective keyword research is crucial for Pinterest's success. ChatGPT can assist you in finding the best keywords for your niche and products. By incorporating these keywords into your pins and descriptions, you can increase your visibility and attract a more targeted audience. 3. Pin ideas and strategies. ChatGPT can provide you with creative ideas for pin designs, content strategies, and promotion techniques. Its AI-powered insights can help you stay ahead of the competition and make informed decisions about your affiliate marketing campaigns. 4. Analytics and optimization. Analyzing your Pinterest performance is essential for optimizing your affiliate marketing strategy. ChatGPT can help you interpret your analytics data, identify areas for improvement, and suggest actionable strategies to boost your affiliate income. How to get started. If you're new to Pinterest affiliate marketing, here's a step-by-step guide to get you started. 1. Choose your niche. Select a niche or category that aligns with your interests and expertise. This will make it easier for you to create content and connect with your target audience. 2. Sign up for affiliate programs. Join affiliate programs relevant to your niche. Research and choose programs with products or services that you believe in and can genuinely recommend to your audience. 3. Create a Pinterest business account. If you don't already have one, set up a Pinterest business account. This will give you access to analytics and other features that can help you track your performance. 4. Optimize your profile. Fill out your Pinterest profile with a clear and compelling bio, including keywords related to your niche. Use a professional profile picture and add a link to your website or blog. 5. Create high-quality pins. Design visually appealing pins that showcase the affiliate products you're promoting. Use high-resolution images and engaging text overlay. ChatGPT can help you craft compelling pin descriptions. 6. Publish regularly. Consistency is key in Pinterest affiliate marketing. Create a posting schedule and stick to it. Aim to publish new pins regularly to keep your audience engaged. 7. Analyze and optimize. Regularly review your Pinterest analytics to identify your most successful pins and strategies. Use ChatGPT's assistance to optimize your content and refine your approach based on the data. The potential earnings. While your affiliate marketing income on Pinterest will depend on various factors like your niche, product quality, and promotional strategies, it's not uncommon for successful affiliates to earn thousands of dollars per month. With dedication and the right tools like ChatGPT, you can realistically aim for a monthly income of $11,379 or even more.